Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 5 Mathematical Reasoning. Topic Mathematical Reasoning. Subtopic implies by, if and only if, and they are used through variety of examples related to mathematics. Contrapositive and converse of an implication. Exercise 14.4. Conditional statement implication. Two statements P and Q are connected by the phrase if then are said to result in a statement called conditional statement of P and Q and is denoted by P implies Q. Note 1. P implies Q is true in all cases except when P is true and Q is false. Others are true except this case, that is when P is true and Q is false. P implies Q means P is sufficient for Q. B. Q is necessary for P. P leads to Q. These are equivalent meanings. Q if P. Truth table for a conditional statement. Statement P and Q are component statements. They two are connected by if then. That is P if P then Q implies P implies Q. If P is true, Q is true, then if P then Q is its truth value is T. TF is F, FT is T, FF is T. Remember, TF is false. Others are true. Contrapositive. The contrapositive of the statement if P then Q is if not Q then not P. Converse. The converse of a given statement if P then Q is if Q then P. Exercise 14.4. Question number 1. Rewrite the following statement with if then in 5 different ways conveying the same meaning. If a natural number is odd, then its square is also odd. Makhada piriba if then gi sentence asi arthamanaba mawung manga da phungdu u haiba. Ahanbada a natural number is odd implies its square is odd. A natural number is odd only if its square is odd. For a natural number to be odd, it is necessary that its square is odd. 4. For the square of a natural number to be odd, it is sufficient that the number is odd. 5. If the square of a natural number is not odd, then the natural number is not odd. These are the equivalent statements of the given statement. That is, if a natural number is odd, then its square is also odd. Makhada piriba mawung manga singase mathakta piramiba if then gi sentence asiga artha chap manai tongan ba mapongdok sing. 2. Write the contrapositive and converse of the following statements. If x is a prime number, then x is odd. Contrapositive. If x is not odd, then x is not a prime. It's converse. If x is odd, then x is a prime number. Roman number 2. Contrapositive. If two lines are parallel, then they do not intersect in the same plane. Its contrapositive is if two lines intersect in the same plane, then they are not parallel. Its converse is if two lines do not intersect in the same plane, then they are parallel. Question number 2. Write the contrapositive and converse of the following statements. Something is cold implies that it has low temperature. Its contrapositive is if something has not low temperature, then it is not cold. Its converse is if something has low temperature, then it is cold. Roman number 4. You cannot comprehend geometry if you do not know how to reason deductively. Its contrapositive is if you do know how to reason deductively, you can comprehend geometry. Its converse is if you do not know how to reason deductively, then you cannot comprehend geometry. For Roman number 5, x is an even number implies that x is divisible by 4. Contrapositive. If x is not divisible by 4, then x is not an even. Its converse is, if x is divisible by 4, then x is an even number. Thank you for watching video.